all these various sub-assemblies you can see in front of you would have been built in a different part of the plant. The motor itself, that they're dropping in there, I'll tell you a bit about that in a minute, but that would have been assembled on the second floor of the Highland Park plant and dropped down by a conveyor, a hoist. A lot of these operations were done by hand. There weren't a lot of power tools back in the day. Model T was introduced in 1908.
Good.
The original cars between 1908 and 1913 were all
Okay, guys, can you keep that
Ford,
moving while we come up?
obsessed with making a universal car. A car that was very affordable for the masses, and he was obsessed with the price of that. He wanted to build a car that everyone could afford. With that, it became very popular. The Model T was introduced in 1908, and the touring cars were selling for about $850, which made it would stay quite affordable. As time went on, by the time they got to 1913 and the cars were becoming more and more popular, they had to look at different production methods to speed up the process. So they moved to the moving assembly line, something that had been introduced in other industries like gun making, butcher shops, and other things like that. So the assembly line itself wasn't a novel idea, but using it in automobile manufacturing was. So Mr. Ford started his company in 1903. Between 1903 and 1908, they put together about 19,000 cars. What's made them at the time was the third largest manufacturer.
I got it, yeah.
We got it race?
Yeah.
After the assembly line, and they were able to crank the cars out to keep up with demand, their numbers shot up astronomically. By the early 1920s, there was upwards of 9,000 cars per day made out of the Highland Park plant. A staggering amount, 45 to 50,000 cars per week, for a total of 2.2 million automobiles produced by Ford in the 1940s.
Bobby, come and kick the, you stand on this front? Just got up there.
They made a number of changes to the car and some of the components to it through the years, but basically the chassis structure is here, same throughout the run. The four-cylinder motor itself was quite unique. It was the very first time that a cylinder block had been cast in one casting. Ford was the first to introduce that. The other thing about the motor that was a little unique was the fact that it had the first removable head. Prior to that, most of the automobiles on the market had either single cylinders or pairs of cylinders, and they were the first to cast them like this. The other thing that they
Up top.
so they literally, in order to keep up with the demand for the cars and all the various components, we bought iron ore,
Same thing. Is it? Yeah, it's a problem.
everything right from the raw steel, raw iron ore,
plywood,
everything else in between. We own the entire supply chain. There's something in us. Literally, we get iron ore from northern Michigan. Days later, that was an assembly car rolling off the assembly line. In the mid-20s, these cars were rolling off the assembly line every 30 seconds. That's how quickly they were being made. Literally, 100,000 people worked in the plant, 6,000 shifts that were taken. Everything was done by hand for the most part. Remember, there was no computers. Everything was done on ledgers, and a lot of office staff went along with it. He introduced, in order to keep his employees, he introduced the $5 day, as you know, in 1913. That went a long way. That was a very high wage. That kept his employees happy, and they kept them building cars. What these guys are doing here, you'll see they're buttoning up the rear end there. This would have all been done by hand. There weren't a lot of power tools, so obviously it was very repetitive work. When you worked in the plant, you put one wheel on day after day after day, so obviously you had to enjoy what you did. There was the one chassis itself, which all the different body styles fit on. It could be a touring, roadster. There's many examples here in the field today. But basically, the chassis you see in front of you there is the same for all of them. Putting on the muffler there, EPA approved muffler. The other unique thing about it, there's a 10-gallon gas tank that's putting on there. There was no fuel pump, there was no manual pump. The gas tank sat slightly above the carburetor, so the gas would flow down to the carburetor mounted on the side of the engine. Rob's mounting the rad there, no water pump on it. It was called a thermal siphon system, which basically the water was heated up in the block, passed over the top of the rad down through past the fan to floor. Very effective system. We're just tightening up some of the things in the back end there. The Warrior wheels that you see on it were an option in the 26-27 year. As they moved on later in production, they introduced a few features like that. The old story, you could have it any color as long as it was black, is somewhat true. After about 1914, you'll see some of the early cars that were various other colors. But once they got going with production, they really had to keep things simple. The reason they introduced the black color was really not because it dried the quickest, but more or less because it was the cheapest paint to produce. They're producing these cars and bodies so quickly that they literally had to, at one point, dip the body in a bathtub and let it set and dry for a day or two, and then it was dropped down to the assembly line. They didn't have time for a lot of finish work. A lot of the restorers, people that restore these cars today, will take the interior panels off and slide the runs of the paint down the inside of the body. That's how fast they were produced. There was a gentleman on the end of the assembly line with a hell of a paint and a Ford truck. He was literally dabbing up the scratch marks as it rolled out. Remember, folks, there's one going out every 30 seconds. The other thing about the Ford at this time is that in order to buy one, you had to pay for it before it left the dealership. So it was kind of unique. It wasn't until the late 20s when a lot of the other manufacturers introduced financing that the Ford company did as well. So people were literally driving up to the dealership and the horses and buggies to see me with their first car. They got a driving lesson and off they went. A little bit of Lake St. Clair going in the red there. That's the red water we brought from the same source. Guys are getting ready to go. How's our time there, mister?
6:34.
6:34, okay, a little time. Get the front end down. I'll tell you a little bit about the transmission, the 43 pedals that you see there when the top end is going. One is a clutch, one is a reverse, one is a brake. We're just snugging a few things up as we go. The two levers on the steering column there, one is the spark, the other is the throttle. There is no gas coming on this car. Rob's going to get things set. Turn some gas on, Rob. Bobby will give it a quick crank and hopefully we can get her going here. And there we are. See how he has to work that crank. I'll show you something about that in a minute. The starter itself wasn't introduced until 1918. Most of the cars before there, all the cars before that, had some starters installed. So, goes on a gas here.
Okay, lots of
It does? As you can see, some of these cars were a little pernickety, especially on a very cold winter day. So, get out and get under was a popular phrase at the time. Got lots of gas. How's our time? 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Not bad. Lots of it up on it. I think. We're walking through the three pedals, and then he'll set the throttle and start so that it starts with the electric thing the next time. Got his foot on, the right foot is on the brake there. Bobby will turn it down for him. See, his left foot is on the clutch. By pushing it forward, you get low gear. If he was to release the handbrake, it would be in high gear. The middle pedal, of course, as he pushes that, backs the car up. Let it warm up for a minute. Oh, there we go, forward, reverse. The handle on the right there is your emergency brake. Right turns it off, it should start just by pulling the key. Running a little rough. Turn it off, see what happens. One more rough. There we are, folks. We'll be around for a few minutes. If anybody has any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.